everybody. I hope that you have practiced all your videos. Now we will go to a little more advanced settings. We will go to our home page and find the settings button, which is this one right here. You will find it on your phone and then you will click on it. When you click on it, this will open up. We are going to select the notification settings because we have already done Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and we have already done sounds. So we're going to go to notifications. Now when you're in a meeting and you do not want your WhatsApp notifications to come or your YouTube notifications to come, then you can see this option, do not disturb. You will on that like that and you will have no notifications coming to you. Your phone will have no notifications and you can have your phone on silent. Now we are going to go back and you are going to go to display settings right here. When you go to display settings, you can adjust your brightness volume so that your phone can get more brighter and you can see clearly through this one. You also can make it very high or very low. You can adjust it there. You also have to make sure to keep your blue light filter on. That makes it more comfortable for the eyes and it's more better. Now some people cannot see with so less font. The letters are very small. So you will select font size and style and you can change the font size through this here. Like how I'm changing it like this, you can change it and the font will keep getting bigger like this on your phone. And you can adjust whichever font you want. And you can see that my phone's font has become bigger now. Now I'm going to talk to you about screen timeout. When you have left your phone without touching it, your phone shuts in some time. You can see here it's written after 10 minutes of inactivity. That means my phone will shut down in 10 minutes if I do not touch it. So you can change your screen timeout. You can change it to 5 minutes less or you can change it to 15 seconds according to that. Now next we are going to go to wallpaper settings. To change your wallpaper, you're going to select a picture from gallery. So I'm going to select gallery, this one right here. Then I will select any picture of mine that I want to select and I will press done on the top. Then you have an option of selecting for your home screen or lock screen or both the screens. We want to set a wallpaper for our home screen, so we will select home screen like this. And you can see this is how my home screen looks and you will press here at the bottom set on home screen. So when you press that, your wallpaper will be set. And when I go to my home screen, you will see that my wallpaper is set. Now you will go to general management and you will select language and input. To change the language of your phone, you will select language and input. Then you will select the first option, which is language, and you can select whichever language you want. I want Hindi, so I will press Hindi and I will press apply. If you want to add another language, then you will press the add language option like this one, add language, and you can select whichever language you want to add. So make sure to practice all these features, and if you have any queries regarding this, then put it on WhatsApp from 4 to 5:30. Thank you.